I seen him get him. See him. Right here, right here, right here. Shoot.
Got him.
Alright, jump up there and run over there and shoot him. Jump and run.
I can't get up there.
Jump and run. Run right up to the bank and it's gonna take off.
My gun won't shoot.
Here. Hey. The big gun, the safety's off.
Okay.
Shoot him again. Shoot him again.
Shoot that one too.
There's another shell in it. Oh, there you go. BJ's got the whammy.
Ow. My shoulder's about to blow off now.
No five, you'll leave me hanging. And we carried you in arsenal.